Hi everyone, I want to discuss with you on how to register in cooperative society in Nigeria. First of all, what's cooperative society? Cooperative society is an association of persons or members who come together in achieving a goal or objective. And I want to tell you the basic line on how to register in cooperative society in Nigeria. First of all, you select a name of the cooperative and that is peculiar to the business management of your cooperative, and please make sure that the name that you select has not been chosen by other cooperatives. Then you choose the cooperative society you want to register, whether it is housing, worker or producer cooperatives. Then you prepare the necessary documents such as drafting, constitution and a list of members. Then you register into the cooperative council in your state or at the national level. You submit your application and necessary fees. And once your application is approved, you'll get a certificate registered and issued for you. Like, comment and share.